Hello guys, hello Hot Wheels lovers, it's Victor from the Wheels Hot channel, and today I will make a review on this wonderful Funko Pop figure. It's a figure from Rick and Morty. It's a Gearhead, a limited figure from the 2018 Falcon version from New York, exclusive limited edition. Very wonderful package. It's a wonderful man with wonderful stuff on it from the Rick and Morty animation cartoon. I very love this Rick and Morty TV series cartoons. Do you watch you guys Rick and Morty? Please write in the comments. What do we have another in this part of collection? Prison Break Rick, Sentient R Morty with a big hand, you can see here. Very summer. Wonderful, wonderful. And Rick Face Hugger. Oh, that's something different. And Hemorrhage. So today I'm open this wonderful Funko Pop figure from the wonderful Funko Pop collection. It's limited edition Gearhead, and I very love this wonderful transparent body of this figure. It's so amazing. Look on it, please. Very detailed. You can move the head on the left or on the right if you want. It's very great for any collection, especially if you love Rick and Morty cartoon series. You will like this figure. I very love to collect Hot Wheels, and I very love to collect Funko Pop figures. I want to make this review, this video a long time ago. I also collect some of these minifigures from Funko, mystery figures, and today we will make review on this wonderful Gearhead Funko Pop. Look on this wonderful eyes, with wonderful little nose here, with the gears on the sides, gears on the mouth, and gears inside. Gear man. A wonderful painting. You know, all Funko Pop figures are painted by handmade painting, not robot painting. That's why we can see not very beautiful painted maybe, but these mistakes are because they painted by hands, not by my machine. And this is wonderful, good detailed figure with the gears. I really love to have this limited wonderful Gearhead in my small Funko Pop collection. I hope, guys, you will like this review and you will ask to make some more reviews about Funko Pop's figures. Maybe somebody from you, from the Hot Wheels collectors, are also collecting Funko Pop's figures. Please write in the comments. I want to discuss this with you guys. So it was a review for the Gearhead. I hope you like it. Bye bye. See you later. It was a Victor from Wheels Hot channel. Very, very wonderful. Very detailed. I love this. Bye bye, guys.